In every seed lies a secret, a legacy of survival, of resilience, of flavors the modern world has nearly forgotten. But they are not gone. Not yet. I'm food historian David Shields, and with Charleston chef Kevin Mitchell, we are chasing long-lost flavors before they disappear forever. From Thomas Jefferson's Monticello gardens, where ancient peas still grow, to backyard gardens where rare seeds cling to life. Every discovery is a story. Every harvest, a bridge between now and then. These seeds are living proof of the people and places that nurtured them and of communities who refused to let the past be buried. We are the savors of flavor.